Here you go. It's time for it's either like purple or maroon and white or something like that, but they doctors. So big shout out, Meharry Medical College. We see you. What up, y'all? It's time for another 100 HBCUs in 100 days. Powered by the #1 mobile reader for the culture, the underrated report. New issues coming soon. The link is in the bio. Today is all about Meharry Medical College. Thanks again for supporting the I Am Black History hoodie drop. Don't forget, if you still would like to cop one, tap the link in our bio and browse. Grab one for you and your friend. Located in Nashville, Tennessee, Meharry Medical College is one of the nation's oldest and largest historically Black academic health science centers. Founded in 1876 as the medical department of Central Tennessee College, what would become Walden University, Meharry was the first medical school in the South for African Americans. Named after Irishman Samuel Meharry, a really dope story. He was a young trader and he had been aided by a family of freedmen whose names were unknown. So he told them that when he had some money, he was going to do something for their race, and he did, dropping $15K to help get the school going. And with this, plus a couple other donations, in 1876, they were able to get the medical college started with 9 students in the basement of Clark Memorial Methodist Episcopal Church. And in just 20 years, half of all the regularly educated physicians then practicing in the South had been educated by Meharry. In 1901, they would begin to build the Mercy Hospital, where they used for training. In 1915, they received their own charter to go independent from Walden and become Meharry Medical College. By the late 1960s and early 70s, 83% of all African-American physicians have been trained at Meharry and Howard University. In 72, they implemented a PhD program, and a decade later, Meharry established an MD/PhD program. 2004, they created a Master's of Science in Clinical Investigation program. And 3 out of 4 Meharrians returned to an urban or rural community to serve others by providing medical or dental services. Today, it stands as the second largest educators of African-American medical doctors and dentists in the U.S. It also has the highest percentage of African Americans graduating with PhDs in the biomedical sciences in the country. And just like we have the underrated report, they have the Journal of Healthcare for the Poor and Underserved. It's a public healthcare journal owned and edited by Meharry Medical College. Big shout out to you, Meharry Medical College, and all the wonderful doctors you produce. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to grab your free copy of the underrated report. We got a new issue coming soon. So to get more dope stories just like this, tap that link in our bio, tap the picture, and drop your email. We'll get it to you as soon as we can. Thanks again, and never forget that Black education is Black excellence. So let's keep it going. Who's next?